Hi, my name is Jooey Lilipaly and I'm the bar manager at the Harbour Club Amsterdam Oost, which is located right at the harbour in the eastern docklands of Amsterdam. Lyre's range of non-alcoholic spirits allows me to play with flavors, give depth and create finely balanced non-alcoholic cocktails. The cocktail that I will make today for you is called Matahari and it is made with Lyre's Amaretti. Matahari means sun or literally eye of the day, and I wanted to include my heritage by adding a little spice from the Far East. I'm using Lyre's Amaretti, cherries, both lime and lemon juice, and a hint of anise. The combination of cherries and almonds is very nice, especially with the addition of anise. Lyre's Amaretti sets a solid but smooth and complex base for this cocktail. It's really important for us to have low or non-alcoholic cocktails on our menu, as many guests are visiting us by car, by bike, and of course by boat. Whenever you're here for your lunch break, dinner or night out, you could always have a suitable beverage. Whether it's an alcoholic or non-alcoholic drink, there should be a difference in style or complexity. We look forward to welcoming you to Harbour Club Amsterdam Oost.